Chapter 31. The Law of Damage Isolation, containing failure so it does not become total collapse. Life is not only about growth. Life is about containing damage before it destroys the larger system. Nature never allows small damage to become catastrophe. Nature contains it, traps it, isolates it, and ensures that local failure does not become global destruction. This is the mechanism that determines whether life continues to the next chapter or comes to an end. The body isolates damage before it spreads. When a cell is damaged, the cell stops dividing, immune cells isolate it, and the body system repairs or destroys it. If bacteria enter a wound, the body sends immune cells to that location. Inflammation traps the pathogen, local blood vessels expand, and antibodies seal off the area. All of this exists for one purpose: damage must not be allowed to spread. The body possesses a biological lockdown mechanism. When viruses attack, surrounding cells reduce activity, metabolic pathways slow down, protein receptors close, and local tissue enters active defense mode. This step is a form of lockdown. The organism shuts down certain functions to prevent failure from spreading. Life does not hesitate to reduce efficiency in order to preserve survival. Ecosystems isolate population collapse. When predator populations collapse, ecosystems break the pressure apart by increasing the role of scavengers, accelerating reproduction of certain herbivores, altering competitor distribution, and rebalancing decomposer networks. The collapse of one module does not become total collapse because of damage isolation. Earth possesses its own natural firewall. Geological damage such as volcanic eruptions or major earthquakes is isolated by tectonic plates, fault boundaries, and Earth's regional structures. Earth does not collapse across its entire surface even when one region explodes. Geological modules lock damage into specific territories. Microbes isolate damage with unmatched speed. Bacterial colonies can block damaged cells, close diffusion pathways, stop certain signals, and build new biofilm walls to trap threats. They do not wait for damage to grow larger. They lock it down before it spreads. This biological intelligence enables microbes to survive even within the most dangerous environments. Human civilization collapses because it fails to isolate damage. Humans allow small problems to become massive disasters. One economic crisis can spread globally. One infrastructure failure can paralyze an entire city. A single pathogen attack can spread without limits. One poor policy can damage generations. Even one technological failure can collapse enormous systems. all because humans fail to construct the biological firewall nature has used for 3.8 billion years. Damage isolation is not obstruction, it is system preservation. In the modern world, compartmentalization, microservices, energy segmentation, data separation, and redundancy partitions all imitate nature, preventing one failure from collapsing the entire system. Nature implemented this long before humans understood it. The law of damage isolation. The law of damage isolation delivers one unavoidable lesson. Life survives not because it is perfect, but because it can contain failure before it destroys everything. Those capable of trapping damage will survive longer than those allowing damage to spread freely. Strength is not the absence of mistakes. Strength is the ability to limit their impact.